Circuit diagrams, there are several basic symbols that you need to know and have memorized. Any special ones they will give you. So let's talk about some of the basics. One of the basic ones obviously is for a battery or a cell. All right, so this would be a battery because it has multiple cells. Each one, so one short and one long equals one cell. And a battery usually has multiple cells, so it doesn't matter exactly how many you draw, but this is your battery, okay, or your power source, your power supply. And the other thing you need to know about it is that the long and the short mean something, all right? So the longer side is the positive side, okay, and the shorter side is the negative side. It actually doesn't come up that much in Unit 1, but when we start talking about electromagnetism, then it becomes very important that you know this, all right? So this is positive plus minus plus minus. And when we talk about the way that current flows, right, it goes from positive to negative. When we talk about traditional current, we talk about the flow of the current. So that's the idea, right? So that's a battery. Other symbols you need would be, wait, am I recording? Yeah, okay, sorry. This is a light bulb. Most people know that, right? You have, this is an ammeter. An ammeter measures current, and it is always put when you put it into a circuit, you have to make sure that it is always put into in series, not in parallel. So always make sure it's in series. Then if you want to measure voltage, you would use a voltmeter, and a voltmeter should always be put in parallel into a circuit diagram, right? You have, this is the symbol for a resistor, and I'll do another video where I talk about the different types of resistors, right? This I already had on one of the other videos, but in case you didn't watch that one, this is a fuse, all right? What else? Oh, a switch. So this would be a closed switch. You can also have an open switch. So these are switches. This is open, obviously, and so you wouldn't get any current flowing. This is closed. The lines are just wires. What else? That's it. So if you were to draw, so the idea was of series and parallel. Again, I'll do a short video on that, but just so you know, right? So if you're asked to put in, so let's say you have a resistor and a light bulb in a system, and you want to know the voltage drop, and they ask for the voltage drop across the light bulb, then the idea is that the voltmeter you would put in parallel with the light bulb specifically, not across everything. And then the ammeter would need to go, for example, here, or it could go over here as well. It doesn't matter which side it goes on, as long as it's in series. So the entire current of the system is flowing through that ammeter.